Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan as always, and today we have a very different thing, which is Sandalwood oil that is actually from AromaSublime, and they are actually artisanal grade sandalwood oil. You have heard about oud oils, that they are artisanal grade oud oils. The distillation is different, the pots are different, the smells are different, they are more premium quality. Still, we again have something very interesting, that is from AromaSublime.com. So they are really I would say nice enough to send me these samples. I asked them for these samples, so they are kind enough to send me these samples for free, and today I am going to review these. And the company is AromaSublime.com, Tony Bolton and Tha Din Thai. So these are the guys. They are from Australia, very small company, niche oils. Some of them are oud oils, most of them are sandalwood oils, and few more oils. So today we are going to test 5 of these oils. So let's get started with Zen One. So it says Zen One Japan Sandalwood Essential Oil 2020. So 2020 is the when it was distilled. Next one I am going to review next. So let's sniff it. It's really creamy and thick from the first sniff. Let's try to test it. So I will use my left arm. Okay, so if you are confused that how you can test these vials while you are trying to sniff something, so make sure you try to use toothpick, which is plastic toothpaste that is disposable. So I normally do something like this, and let's apply a good amount on my left hand. Very rounded, very creamy, light woodiness over there somewhere, and it is very relaxing. From your normal oud oils, I think it is a bit different. A light spiciness is over there. Okay, so really nice, really nice, very creamy, kind of light spicy. It's kind of opening your mind. Inside your head something is opening. So this is, I never thought that why it was called Zen. So Zen, it is actually, yes, it has some airiness, something like opening your airways inside your head, or something, some feeling like that. I really enjoyed this one. This is Zen One. So let's apply it a bit more over here. So this is Zen One from AromaSublime, Zen One Japan Sandalwood. So this is Japanese sandalwood. Very nice, very lightweight aroma, that is rounded, creamy, a light spicy, opening your mind, something like that. That is why I'm not an expert in sandalwood oils, because the differences in smell profile is very delicate, very small changes that are going to be in the sandalwood. So let's try in the next one, which is Zen Heart. Okay, let's dip another stick over here inside this. They are really generous that they have filled this whole vial for me to test. I would consider it as a gift. Thanks AromaSublime for the opportunity. Okay, so this one is my favorite. This is so cooling. It has some cooling effect. This is called Zen Heart. This is my favorite right now. It was distilled in 2021. Zen Heart, Japan. It is again Japanese sandalwood. This is beautiful. I think this is far more. This is elegant, lightweight, airy kind of cooling effect. It has some cooling effect, and normally I think it is more closer to Australian sandalwood. Very, very different from the first I tested, Zen Heart. This is my favorite so far from Zen One and Zen Heart. Let's test the next one, which is called Mysore 60. So it is India sandalwood distilled in 2017. So it was a bit old. Now I will try to apply it over here because my hands are filled. Let's use another dip over here. So I am going to dip like this and apply it over here. Let's try more. So this one is Mysore 60. Let's see. Ooh, this is really, really mind-blowing. It has some floral notes in it. This is the first time I'm sniffing a floral kind of note from a Mysore sandalwood oil. I can't stop sniffing it. This is the best so far. Very nice sandalwood, Mysore 60. I think this is, the next ones are very lightweight, very airy, kind of light floral kind of touch to the smell. Light, fruity, floral, very, very light. It's like if you have sniffed oud oils, some similarities to those. So this is Indian sandalwood. This is really, really nice. This is, I think, top notch. This is the top notch. Mysore 60. Keep the name in your mind. Now next is Zen 68. Now I am going to use my right hand. It is again Japan sandalwood. Let's test this one and see what we have. Ooh, this is something really different. So let's dip this one inside and test this one. I think this would be my most the best gift I have received in 2022 so far. This is really, really nice oils. So this one, Zen 68, is a bit more spicy. It's kind of peppery spice. So this is really rare to have such kind of notes coming out from sandalwood oils. Very, very peppery. It's like you have some pepper inside. So if you like peppery kind of sandalwood or peppery kind of smells, this is totally different. Not my favorite one, Zen 68, but it is very, very spicy, light, very light, creamy. It is more kind of vibrating. Now it is getting less spicy, more airy. Very, very different. Very, very different from any sandalwood oil I have sniffed. So far, I loved Mysore 60 the best. This one was Zen 68, very spicy, peppery kind of sandalwood oil. So next one from AromaSublime is Golden Bough. I'm not sure it's Bog or Bow, but this one is distilled in 2016. This one seems to me the best. Let's try to see what it has to offer. Oops. So let's use a new one. So I'm going to dip a new one over here and I am going to put it on my hand. And see what it has. It's very light creamy. It feels like, how would I describe it? It's kind of, you can see a stream coming from the mountains up, and streams have some kind of warm kind of water. Normally, you know, streams that are coming from hilly areas, they have very cold water. So it's like a refreshing, watery kind of creamy effect that is a bit not very cold, not very warm or hot. It is like blowing a very nice kind of light wind. Really nice. It is very close to, I think, Mysore 60. That was Mysore 60. Yes. So it is very close to Mysore 60. Now it has a very unique sweet note. I'm not able to pinpoint what it actually smells like. This is Golden Bough from 2016 AromaSublime. You have to sniff a lot, and whenever you sniff a sandalwood oil or any oud oil, I would advise you to take a very long sniff. So like this. In the middle of your nose, keep your hand in the middle of your nose and keep on sucking the air through your nostrils, okay? You will keep getting different notes. This is the trick I use. I'm not sure what other experts would say, but this is what I use whenever I try to sniff any artisanal grade oud oil or any sandalwood oil. I try to sniff it like this. Now it is getting a bit of cooling effect. Very, very nice. Very different. This is mind-blowing in the field of, I would say, sandalwood oil. My favorite is Mysore 60. Then I would say my favorite is Zen. I think the first one I think was Zen One. So these are the two. Yes. My favorite and the winners over here are Zen One and Mysore 60. Mysore 60 is totally mind-blowing, very, very sweet, very delicate, very airy, very nice. And Zen One, I think it was Zen Heart or Zen, I think Zen One. So Zen One is kind of opening or numbing your mind effect, has something like that, opening up your mind or something inside your brain. This is a really, really nice effect. Yes, I think it was Zen One 2020 and Mysore 60. These are the two winners from me. I would keep this as a gift and I would use them sparingly. Maybe I might mix them with some Kashmiri musk grains I have. So this is my review about AromaSublime. AromaSublime.com, Pierre Black. So this is the guy actually who sent me. This is the guy, Pierre Black. Really nice of you. I would not have the opportunity to sniff these oils from AromaSublime, and I would rate these two, Mysore 60 and Zen One, the top. For me, these are the best. I would I think order one of them at least. So this is my review, unbiased review from for AromaSublime.com. This is a niche perfumery house or niche oil distillation for mainly for sandalwood oils. Very, very great sandalwood oils. I have never experienced something like that. So I hope you can try these out. My recommendation is Mysore 60 and Zen One. If you like peppery, spicy and others I have described, you can try them out. This is my video review of artisanal grade sandalwood oils from AromaSublime. I will meet you in another video with some new oil or new perfume to explore. Till then, take care. Bye bye.